Good morning, children. Welcome to your English class. Today we will study chapter 6 of English language. The name of our chapter is me, us, you, him, her, it, them. So, children, basically, these all pronouns are also known as subject or object pronouns. So, children, in this video, we will study about them in detail. Children, read this sentence. Chinmay and Noman came for a coffee. Here, Chinmay and Noman are noun. And now I want to replace Chinmay and Numan, these nouns, with a pronoun. Which pronoun I will use? Can you guess, children? I'll use they for them. They came for a coffee. So here, they is a pronoun. So, children, in a sentence, a pronoun can either replace the subject or the object. It means in every sentence, when we replace noun by a pronoun, in those sentences, pronoun replaces either a subject or the object, any one of these. So, today in this video, we will study about subject pronouns and object pronouns. What is a subject pronoun? The subject pronoun is a pronoun that replaces the subject of the sentence. It means the pronouns which replaces the subject in a sentence are known as subject pronoun. Now the question comes, what is a subject pronoun? What is a subject here, ma'am? So, subject pronoun means does the action in a sentence. Subject pronoun does the action in a sentence. It means who has done that work, who has performed that action. Therefore, the subject can be person, place, or thing. Therefore, the subject can be person, place, or thing. Some of the subject pronouns are I, we, you, it, he, she, they. Children, these are 7 common subject pronouns. Let us go through an example. Sohan drives a bus. So here the word Sohan is a noun. Now I have replaced this noun with a pronoun. So I have used instead of Sohan, which pronoun I have used? He, because Sohan is a boy. Now the sentence becomes he drives a bus. Now children, in this sentence, what you have to identify the subject pronoun, what you have to do, you have to first identify the action, the work done. कि इस sentence में work क्या हुआ है, you have to identify that. So identify the work done in this sentence, children. Here the work done or the action word is drives. Now who is performing this action? Who is performing this work? He. It means Sohan. Who is performing this work? He. So he here is doing the action. So he does the action. So the pronoun he is referred as subject pronoun. Next example, children. You are watching this video. Identify the pronoun in this sentence, children. You. Very good. Now identify the action word. Work done in this sentence. Identify. Can anyone guess? Yes. So in this sentence, are watching is the action word. The work done is are watching. Who is performing this action? Who is doing this? You. So here you does the action. So the you pronoun is referred as subject pronoun. I hope children subject pronoun is clear to you. Now we will study about object pronoun. What is an object pronoun? An object is the pronoun that replaces the object of the sentence. In any sentence, if a pronoun is replacing the object, then it is known as object pronoun. So children, now again the question comes, what is the object pronoun or what is an object in a sentence? Object pronoun refers to the receiver of an action. The effect of the action is falling on whom? Who is affected by the work done in a sentence? कि एक्शन का असर किस पे पड़ रहा है? That is known as object pronoun. Therefore, the object can be person, place, or thing. Some of the object pronouns are me, you, it, him, us, her, them. So children, these are some of the object pronouns. Let us see some example. She shouts at him. Again in this sentence first, what you have to identify? Can anyone guess? Yes, in this sentence first you have to identify the action word, the work done in this sentence. So here the action word is shouts. So the effect of this action word is falling on whom? किस पे असर पड़ा है action word का? Him. So here him will be first. Children, you tell me who is doing this work? She. Here she is doing this work now. Who is performing the action? She is performing the action. And the effect of action word is falling on whom? On him. So him will be referred as receiver of the action, or him is receiving the action. So the pronoun him here is referred as object pronoun. Next example, children. Anya tossed the ball to her. Again, Anya tossed the ball to her. Now again in this sentence children, identify the work done. Here the work done is tossed. Action word is tossed. So effect of this action word is falling on whom? इस action word का असर किस पे पड़ रहा है? Tell me. Yes children. Her. So it means Anya is giving the ball to whom? To her. So here her is the receiver of the action. It means her is receiving the action. So her pronoun here is referred as object pronoun. I hope children subject pronoun and object pronouns are clear to you. Now let us do one exercise, children. Okay, very good. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. First sentence, he wants to give the pencil to dash. I or you. Again, first before filling, first identify the action word. So here the action word is give. So he is the subject because he is performing the action. So what we have to fill here? Object now. So what will be the answer? He wants to give the pencil to you. Next sentence. I gave the dog a bone. He is eating dash. So here in this sentence, what is the action word? Eating. So who is eating? The dog. So for it, what I'll use it? He is eating he. No, for animals we never use he. So what I will use? It. He is eating it. Next sentence. We love our cat and our cat loves dash. We or us. So here the action word is love. And who is performing this action? We. So here what I'll fill? We love our cat and our cat loves we. No. So what I'll use? Us. We love our cat and our cat loves us. Ramesh gave the lollipop to Dash. Me or I? So here the action word is gave. Dena. So who is doing this action? Ramesh. Then what is the object pronoun in this sentence? Ramesh gave the lollipop to I. No, to me. I hope children this exercise is clear to you. So revise this video thoroughly. Thank you.